Lions International is a worldwide organization having branches in 210 countries with a membership of almost 1.4 million in 46,000 Lions clubs. And next year in 2017, Lions Club International will celebrate its centenary. It was instituted in 1917, and since then Lions Club International has been growing and expanding in various countries of the world. Lionesses came exactly 40 years back when association was celebrating its 50th year of association. And it was basically to initiate the activities so that women can also get involved into the social aspect of Lions Club International. And we are very happy today that Lionesses also have grown to a size that they are complementary and supplementary organization. Lioness Club of King's Circle started about 25 years back, about 25 years of history. But most importantly, Lioness Club members in King's Circle have taken up Lioness program in different way altogether. Not only the fellowship, but importantly the service activity that they have been able to carry out. I am a witness to a number of projects that they have carried out. Initially, I remember that in Wadia Children's Hospital and Wadia Women's Hospital, they did a basic work in giving their skin bank and many other important things for women and children. From there, they have grown now into a larger banyan tree. 25 years is certainly a long period in any association. So it has certainly helped in growing not only in India, not only in Bombay, but all over. That they have gone over to even outside Bombay to carry out some of the activities. Sion Hospital, Lokmanya Tilak Municipal General Hospital, which is the largest public hospitals, they have carried out many humanitarian activities, and especially the children and women's ward, I think they have done a great amount of work. I am also a witness because I am also connected with Sion Hospital. But my home club runs also in hospital in Sion, which is Lion Tarajan Bapa Hospital Research Center. There also, Lioness Club of King's Circle has not lagged behind. They also carried out number of humanitarian activities and be useful and be supportive to the activities of hospital and education as well. So I am very happy that Ushaben is taking over as the president next year of Lioness Club of King's Circle. I wish her well and good luck and Godspeed to her. And if I can be any use to her, Ushaben and Lioness Club of King's Circle, I will be too happy to do it.